thinking about getting my gynecomastia for a while actually. I was younger and I realized that glands were developing in my pecs. You know, I tried a numerous amount of things like working out, stuff like that, but it still would look like a little meaty there. So I chose him because I did, you know, based on the research that I've done, he seems like a qualified candidate. He's done numerous amount of breast reductions for men specifically. Very credible overall. So, you know, I felt safer going with him versus other people. Before surgery, I was just concerned about it looking good and, you know, not having like a weird lopsided, you know, pecs. That was like a really big concern for me because, you know, I don't want to look deformed. You might feel like a little slight discomfort during surgery, but nothing that you should really be concerned about. The team is hands-on. They call you every time to make sure that you're gonna make it to your appointments. If you have any issues or concern, you text them, they text you right back. They're very responsive. Dr.Wiser, he's amazing. Like you cannot, like he reassures you that you're in good hands at all times. He's the best. Like you can't have any doubt after you speak to him, to be honest. He's a super genuine guy. Men who do have this issue, to be honest, I was there, so I know how you feel. Like mine wasn't like severe. Take my shirt off and feel super insecure, like because I worked out, like I said earlier. But for the men who don't work out and the men who do have it, and it's very noticeable, I would say honestly, just get it done because you want to feel confident 100% of the time. I feel like when you're confident, you're your best self. When you're not your best self, you're not showing up and doing what you feel like you want to do because you feel like something is holding you back. Be your best self. Invest in yourself. At the end of the day, you're spending it on you. You want to make yourself feel good.